वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज की वीडियो क्लास 12th के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अप द चैप्टर द टाइगर किंग फ्रॉम देयर बुक विस्टास। अब जानते हैं अबाउट द ऑथर। काल्की इज द शॉर्ट नेम और वी कैन से इट इज द पॉपुलर नेम ऑफ द ऑथर रामास्वामी कृष्णमूर्ति. He was an Indian author, journalist, poet and activist who wrote in Tamil language. Now children, we come to the summary of the chapter. Children, I will give you each and everything whatever is given on each and every page of your textbook. आप मेरे साथ बने रहिए और पूरा वीडियो देखना और बहुत ध्यान से सुनना है चिल्ड्रन. Okay, now this chapter is about the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram was given so many names, children. Maharaja is the hero of the story. He was known as His Highness Jamidar General Khiledar Major Satavyagra Samhari, Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwa Bhuvana Samrat, Sir Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, MAD, ACTC or CRCK. But this name is often shortened to the Tiger King, means he was famously known as the Tiger King. All these were the titles given to the Tiger King. Then he says the manner of his death is of extraordinary interest and he would reveal it only at the end of this story. And he says that the most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, the astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. उन्होंने predict किया कि एक दिन वो मरेगा. That was not a new thing. Everybody has to die. कोई नई चीज नहीं बोल रही थी वो. लेकिन उसके बाद क्या हुआ चिल्ड्रन, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. और उन्होंने उस जो छोटा सा बच्चा था, इन्फेंट था, जो प्रिंस था, उसकी प्रेस करनी शुरू कर दी. दैट ही वुड बिकम द वॉरियर ऑफ वॉरियर्स, हीरो ऑफ हीरोज, चैंपियन ऑफ चैंपियंस. देन दे स्टॉप्ड सेइंग बट, बिकॉज नोबडी वांटेड टू से दिस दैट ही वुड डाई ऑफ दिस एंड दिस थिंग. जब उनसे पूछा गया कि इसके आगे क्या होगा, आप बोलिए. What did they say, children? This is a secret that should not be revealed at all. कि ये एक सीक्रेट है जो हम किसी को नहीं बताना चाहते, बताना नहीं चाहिए. And yet we are forced to speak out. उन्होंने बोला कि चाइल्ड जो है इन स्टार्स के अंडर में पैदा हुआ है, तो the child will meet his death one day. And at this moment when they say, means they were not revealing that how would he die, because they were the chief astrologers and it was not good on their part to speak about the prince who has just come to this world. Then the miracle happened, children. Something astonishing happened. What did everybody hear? Somebody spoke. That little 10-day-old prince, Jilani Jang Jang Bahadur, उन्होंने बोला, "O wise prophets." Everybody stood in amazement. वो सब हैरान थे कि ये कौन छोटा बच्चा कैसे बोल सकता है. He said, "Oh wise prophets, it was I who spoke." मैंने बोला ये. Why are you surprised? This time there were no grounds for doubt. Everybody looked at the little prince. सबको पता चल गया कि little prince ने ही बोली है ये बात. And the chief astrologer, he took off his spectacles and he looked intently at the baby. All those who are born will one day have to die. ये कौन बोल रहा है? छोटा बेबी बोल रहा है वो. We don't need your prediction to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of that death. And this royal infant, he uttered these words in his little squeaky voice, shrilly voice. The chief astrologer was too surprised to hear this all. To hear this 10-day-old baby speaking. इसके बाद तो अब chief astrologer को बोलना ही था. And he said that prince was born in the hour of the bull. बुल के आवर में वो पैदा हुए हैं. And bull and the tigers are enemies. Therefore death comes from the tiger. कि जो प्रिंस है, जो जिलानी जंग जंग बहादुर है, इसकी डेथ जो है वो एक टाइगर की वजह से होगी. But listening to all this, the little prince did not tremble with fear. लेकिन उन्होंने बशर्ते ये बोला उसके बावजूद कि let the tigers beware. He was such a brave prince. The crown prince Jang Jang Bahadur grew taller and stronger. And this little boy would drink the milk of an English cow, was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English by an Englishman, saw nothing but English films, exactly as the crown princes of all the other Indian states. Dear children, ये बहुत important है. This can be a question in your paper. And when he was 20 years old, he was crowned as a king. Then children, this Maharaja, he came to know about what astrologer had predicted when he was a little baby. He killed one tiger and called the chief astrologer. He showed that dead tiger to the astrologer. The chief astrologer, he said that you might kill 99 tigers, but you have to be aware of the 100th one. Then the Maharaja said that if we kill the 100 tiger, then अगर वो 100 tiger को भी मार दे तो क्या होगा फिर? Then the astrologer said that he would cut off his tail, his tuft, जो उनके सर पे जो चोटी थी, उन्होंने बोला मैं वो काट लूंगा, and he would become an insurance agent. Actually, he was trying to say that his prediction could not be wrong. From that day onwards, it was celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting Pratibandhapuram. Means जो Pratibandhapuram में जो tigers रहते थे, उनके लिए celebration time था. क्यों था? Because no one else was allowed to hunt the tigers except the king. Because king wanted to complete the tally of 100 tigers. The state banned tiger hunting by anyone. और लोगों को बोल दिया गया कि अगर किसी ने किसी भी टाइगर के ऊपर कोई पत्थर भी मारा तो उसकी सारी प्रॉपर्टी कॉन्फिस्केट करनी जाएगी. मीन्स वुड बी ऑफिशियली टेकन अवे बाय द स्टेट. महाराजा ने कसम खाई कि अब वो खाली टाइगर हंटिंग के ऊपर ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेगा और किसी चीज के ऊपर वो ध्यान नहीं देगा फिलहाल से, क्योंकि उसको अपनी लाइफ को, अपने आप को सेव करना है, अपनी जिंदगी बचानी है. There were times when Maharaja would face danger. He would miss the shot, but he would fight with his bare hands and he would emerge as winner. Now children, here is an incident. Because of that, Maharaja was in a danger of losing his throne. कैसे हुआ ये? A very high-ranking British officer, he visited Pratibandhapuram and he wanted to hunt the tigers. क्योंकि वो उसको टाइगर हंटिंग का बहुत शौक था. And he was fond of getting his photographs clicked with the tigers he had shot. लेकिन इस बार महाराजा ने क्या किया? महाराजा ने रिफ्यूज कर दिया. He said that he could arrange any other hunt. Just see, so funny here children. उसने बोला कि that he could go on a boar hunt, mouse hunt, mosquito hunt, tiger hunt. Not at all possible. When it came to the tiger, that was impossible. कि वो टाइगर की हंटिंग नहीं करने देंगे, बाकी किसी को भी मारना आप मार लो. That was the reason Maharaja thought that now he was in danger of losing his kingdom, his throne. क्योंकि ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर को मना करना बहुत बड़ी बात है. Then what he did, just to please that officer, he ordered 50 precious gold rings, diamond rings. He sent those rings to Maharaja's good lady, means his wife. अब they were expecting कि शायद जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर है उसकी वाइफ एक दो रिंग्स लग के बाकी रिंग्स वापस कर देगी. लेकिन चिल्ड्रन क्या हुआ? जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर था उसकी वाइफ ने सारी की सारी रिंग्स रख ली एंड शी sent a thank you note. And Maharaja had to pay 3 lakh rupees for those expensive diamond rings. Maharaja continued with his hunt of tigers. Now within 10 years he was able to kill 70 tigers. 10 साल में 70 tigers उन्होंने मार दिए. अब उसकी अपनी स्टेट में टाइगर पॉपुलेशन बिकेम एक्सटिंक्ट. ऑलमोस्ट ना के बराबर थे टाइगर्स. एंड महाराजा वॉज नाउ रियली वरीड कि अब मैं टाइगर जो है वो कहां से लाऊं. He called Diwan and brandishing his gun, he said to him that still 30 tigers are left to be killed. And Diwan was really shuddering. He was shaking with fear at the sight of the gun. He said, "Oh, Your Majesty, I am not a tiger." And King said, "Which idiot would call you a tiger?" He said, "Oh, I am not a gun also." He said, "You are neither tiger nor gun, but I have called you for some other matter here." He said that he had decided to get married. Diwan, now he started talking too excitedly. And he said that you already have 2 wives. If I marry you, then what? It is so funny, children, here actually. And the king, the Maharaja, he said, "Oh, don't talk such nonsense. Then why should I marry you? What I want is a tiger." Means मुझे तुम एक ऐसी लड़की ढूंढ के दो जिनके स्टेट में देर आर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टाइगर्स, कि उनके वहां पर टाइगर पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा हो, एंड he could easily kill the tigers. Diwan found the right girl for the Maharaja from a state which possessed a large number of tigers. अब क्या है चिल्ड्रन, महाराजा जंग बहादुर जब भी अपने फादर इन लॉ के स्टेट में जाते थे तो ही वुड किल 5-6 टाइगर्स. अब ऐसा करते करते चिल्ड्रन क्या हुआ, उन्होंने 99 टाइगर्स को मार दिया था. Now that one last tiger was left, Maharaja became very anxious and very curious. And he was angry also at the same time. He was sad also at the same time that he was not able to complete his tally of 100 tigers. Now children, what happened? Some people informed them that the sheep in their state were going missing now, were disappearing. And everybody thought that probably this was the work of the tiger. When Maharaja came to know that there was a tiger in that village, what he did, children, he announced a 3-year exemption from all taxes for that village. And immediately he was there to hunt the tiger. He was there. But children, what happened? He was not able to find any tiger. So, in his anger, the Maharaja called his officer, that Diwan, and ordered him to double the land tax forthwith, means immediately. उस एरिया का जो है, उस विलेज का टैक्स, लैंड टैक्स डबल कर दो, क्योंकि टाइगर नहीं मिल रहा था. चिल्ड्रन, ऐसे ही होता था पहले जमाने में. जो किंग्स थे वो गुस्से में कुछ भी कर देते थे. जब खुश होते थे तो बहुत ज्यादा खुश होते थे, और जब गुस्से में होते थे तो बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से में होते थे. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, दीवान सेड दैट पीपल वुड बी डिसकंटेंटेड, लोग नाराज हो जाएंगे. देन राजा सेड दैट यू रिजाइन फ्रॉम योर पोस्ट, ईदर यू डू दिस और यू लीव. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, दीवान वॉज ऑल्सो ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ लूजिंग हिज जॉब. अब वो बहुत परेशान हो गए. What he did? He went to the People's Park in Madras. He brought a very weak and feeble tiger that Maharaja could easily kill. And he hid it in his house. और आधी रात को, at midnight, when everybody was sleeping, Diwan and his aged wife, obviously he was not a young fellow, okay, they dragged the tiger to the car. उन्होंने खींचकर टाइगर को कार में डाला और उस फॉरेस्ट में छोड़ के आ गए जहां पर the king was there to hunt it. अब चिल्ड्रन क्या हुआ, वो टाइगर जो है नेक्स्ट डे राजा के सामने आ गया. एंड द महाराजा वॉज टू हैप्पी सीइंग द टाइगर, एंड ही शॉट इट, एंड द टाइगर कोलैप्स्ड. टाइगर जो है वो नीचे गिर गया. अब राजा को लगा वो टाइगर मर गया. ही वॉज एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी दैट अल्टीमेटली ही वॉज एबल टू किल द 100th tiger. He said, "Oh, I had killed the 100th one. My vow has been fulfilled." And he ordered his men to bring the tiger to the capital in a grand procession. एक बहुत बड़े से procession में मिस इसको टाइगर को लेकर आइए कैपिटल में, ताकि सब लोग इसको देखें कि मैंने 100 टाइगर्स मार दिए. दिस वॉज द लास्ट वन. And now his life was safe. He was safe now. No one could kill him. And then children, what happened? As soon as Maharaja left, the hunter went to take a closer look at the tiger. वो उसके पास गए देखने के लिए कि टाइगर कैसा है, मरा है, जिंदा है, क्या है, मर तो गया ना वाकई में. The men realized that the tiger was not dead. The bullet had missed it. चिल्ड्रन, हमने 10th में भी कम्युनिकेटिव इंग्लिश में एक स्टोरी है, एंड मिसेस पैक्लेटाइज टाइगर, वहां पर भी टाइगर नहीं मरा था. यहां पर भी ऐसा ही हुआ चिल्ड्रन, कि द टाइगर वॉज रोलिंग इट्स आईज इन बैफलमेंट. वो कंफ्यूज था टाइगर कि ये क्या हुआ, मैं कैसे गिर गया. इट हैड फेंटेड फ्रॉम द शॉक ऑफ द बुलेट. टाइगर बुलेट की आवाज सुनकर ही फेंट हो गया. द हंटर्स वंडर्ड व्हाट दे शुड डू नाउ, क्योंकि अगर वो महाराजा को बताएंगे तो महाराजा वुड रियली गेट एंग्री एट दिस. Then what did they do, children? And they were also afraid that they could lose their jobs. Then one of the hunters killed the tiger. Then, as ordered by Maharaja, they took it in a procession through the town and then buried it. Then a tomb was erected over it. Now, after killing the tiger, Maharaja was really relaxed. He had been ignoring his family, because all his attention was on killing the tiger, those 100 tigers. Now he wanted to give some time to his family. It was his son's 3rd birthday, and Maharaja wanted to give his child, his son, a very beautiful gift. He went to the shopping center in Pratibandhapuram and he looked for the gifts. He found a wooden tiger. He thought that it was the perfect gift for his son. And he bought it. It was not nicely carved. Its surface was rough. Tiny slivers of wood stood up like quills all over it. What are slivers, children? These are the tiny pieces, very small pieces of wood. जो वुड से कई बार जब वो नाइसली कार्व नहीं होते तो छोटे 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 से वुड जो है वो बाहर निकल आते हैं. अब while playing with his son, what happened, children? One of those slivers pierced the Maharaja's right hand. And he pulled it out and again started playing with the prince. Now, children, what happened? Means he ignored it. The infection flared in Maharaja's right hand. Maharaja को right hand में infection हो गया. And it developed into a suppurating sore. कि उसके अंदर वो पस पड़ गया उसमें. And it spread all over the arm. 3 famous surgeons were brought in from Madras. Specialist बुलाए गए किंग की सर्जरी के लिए, उसका वो जो है वुंड था उसको देखने के लिए. And all the 3 decided to operate. The operation took place. The 3 surgeons, children, जो operation theater में गए थे operation करने के लिए, they came out and they announced the operation was successful. The Maharaja is dead. Children, see how everybody there is so funny. In this manner, children, that 100 tiger took its final revenge upon the Tiger King. Whatever was predicted by the royal astrologer, it came out to be true. That this Maharaja was killed by the tiger only. Children, I have given you the summary of this chapter in detail. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. Thanks for watching.